DOPP kits, travel bags, toiletry bags, whatever you want to call them, the Volt GoPack is the best on the market for the following reasons. If you're an avid traveler, jet setter, or just enjoy a few nights out of the house every once in a while, the Volt GoPack has your back. Just ask yourself like a few things here. What do you find most valuable in a travel bag? For me and most people, I would wager it goes something like this: convenience, storage, and durability. So let's dive into some of these things, how they're important, and why the GoPack changes the game. Starting with convenience. Let's be honest now, most things out there for sale today are optimized for convenience. If something is even slightly troublesome to use, it's replaced rather quickly. We just don't want to deal with anything that is annoying, right? And overall, what can be more frustrating, annoying, and sometimes even infuriating than having to dig through your toiletry bag to find something you knew you put in there but can no longer find for whatever reason. It's usually something small like nail clippers, tweezers, or toothpicks even, whatever it is. That feeling sucks. So we thought it'd be best if everything had a place to go and was visible. And we mean visible. I mean, check this out. You can look right through the clear pouches and see what's in there when the GoPack is open. You can put things in those elastic bands and grab them individually. And these pouches right here in the middle are the perfect size for pretty much any travel bottles. Ask yourself another question that has to do with convenience. Where do you need the products that you're bringing with you in your travel bag? Do you need them in the shower or on the sink counter? Maybe even both? You see, with the GoPack, you can actually remove that clear storage pouch at the bottom and leave all of those things on the counter while you hang up the GoPack on something like your towel rod or your curtain rod or anywhere that you need and can reach the products that you use during your shower. Everything can be where you need them to be, and that is the benefit of a fold-out design with removable pouches like this. And all of this brings us to number 2, which is the storage capacity. You know, everything needs a place to go, and a convenient place to go at that. You shouldn't have to throw your toiletries, your toothbrush, your deodorant, your tweezers, your cologne all in the same pouch. Or even worse, in multiple different pouches that can leave things getting lost or scattered and cause you to search for them endlessly. This just makes it easy to forget something or leave it behind when it doesn't have a specific place to go. And that's why we included a lot of storage options with the GoPack. You see, you have your top smaller little clear screen pouch that you can use to put things like razors, even chapstick, extra cartridges for your razors, a small bottle of toothpaste, whatever you need. The elastic bands here in the top center are perfect for things that are long and thin, like toothbrushes, nail clippers, tweezers, pretty much all of the tools that you need for consistent grooming. The middle mesh pouches are perfect for things like body washes, shampoos, soaps, shaving gels, any other travel toiletries that you usually bring with you. And last but not least, the large clear pouch at the bottom is perfect for your big bulky items, maybe your electric shavers or trimmers, your deodorants, your cologne bottles, things like that. There is something for everything here. And the beauty of it all is you can see it and grab each individual thing without really having to dig through everything else. And speaking of the bag itself, we need to talk about the last point, which I'm going to talk about, which is durability. The last thing you want when you're about to head out, maybe you've got a flight to catch or something like that, is to throw together your travel bag just to realize that there's a rip or tear in it somewhere. Maybe a strap is broken, or maybe the zipper has ripped off or something. That stuff is pretty common. I mean, this may not sound that realistic, but these are travel bags. This kind of thing happens when they're on the road. And that is why we wanted to make our travel bag out of something that is absurdly durable. So we used Cordura for the shell of the GoPack. Now, Cordura might sound familiar to those of you who are into military, tactical, motorcycle, that kind of stuff. Overall, Cordura is a brand of fabric that is used in military, body armor, motorcycle kind of applications. It's well known for being extremely abrasion resistant, tear resistant, and water resistant as well. We just couldn't really imagine using a better material in a toiletry bag that's going to be tossed around on the road, getting wet, maybe even thrown in pouches with other things. It's the best fabric to use that blends the resistance you need in a toiletry bag in a wide variety of environments, which is exactly what happens when you travel. Overall, it's all of these things that make the GoPack a bit unique, a bit different out there on the market. I mean, seriously, go out and Google something like toiletry bag or travel bag or something like that. Chances are you're going to see a ton of results out there that are literally just a single pouch bag with a big zipper on top and maybe some carry handles, and none of which are really as convenient or versatile as one would be if you can use it in different places, see everything that's in it, and have a spot for everything that you need. Just saying. And if that's something you're interested in, then great, we'll have that in the description below. We're also doing a limited time sale for the holidays, which I believe is 30% off the GoPack itself, plus 4 travel bottles. Overall, I just want to say thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. Maybe you learned a little bit more about what makes a toiletry bag unique, some features maybe that you didn't think about that might be nice to have or convenient. Overall, just again, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.